have news, reviews, and features, as well as great Cuban music. Thanks to Jose Pepe Costa Papa, the controls. I'm your host, Ed Newman. Check us out right here on the radio, Radio Habana, Cuba, Miami. Cuba, broadcasting from Cuba, some territory of the Americas.
We're transmitting in English on our international shortwave radio frequencies and streaming real audio online at www.radiohc.cu.
And welcome to Radio Havana, Cuba's English language broadcast for this Sunday, January the 26th. I'm Al Newman, and I invite you to stay with us over the next 59 minutes or so. We'll have music from Cuba, we'll have top 10s, we'll have the weekly review program, and a number of our other features here, including Breaking the Silence with news and the struggle to free the Cuban Five. And let's start things off with a look at the major news stories in Cuba over the past week. A program that we call Weekly Review.